been waiting years for this. Like actual years. We've arrived at Moto Gatineau. No freaking way, dude. Today is the day. Today is the freaking day. Oh my god, look at all the beautiful things they got going on here, dude. Wait, I need my glasses. Maybe not. No way. Dude. Triple X, long battery, 8 kilowatts, MX5, 72 volt, 13.5 kilowatts. Dude, look at this freaking thing, dude. What do they got over here, bro? Suzuki's? No way they got Sumos here. Oh my gosh. Grom? Yo, this one's actually clean. Oh, no way. Dude, they're so clean. What? That thing's tiny as, bro. Oh, what do they got over here? What do they got over here? Another MX5? Yo. Yo, look at their helmets, bro. That's sick. Ninja 500? Hi, where would I go if I'm picking something up?
Picking what?
A bike.
A bike? I'll go get someone.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
That video's gonna be mine right there. I just asked that girl to get someone. I don't want to record other people's.
Busy with something, but he'll come with me.
Sounds good. Bro, they have a Ninja 500 over here. Oh, a ZX4 double R? Bro, how much is this? How much are you? How much are you? What? How much are you? There's no price on this. Dude, the seat on this is insane. Oh, what? No way, dude. It's a small, but I'm a pretty small dude. We should low-key see if it fits. Because 40% off. This just says X large. No freaking way. We need to see if this fits. Dude, it's pretty tiny, but wait. Dude,
Oh my god.
this is on sale 40% off.
For how much?
Like $34. Ain't no way. What the fuck, dude? What's going on with this? Nah, they're straight capping on this. No, they're capping on the price of this, bro. Oh, I'm cooked. 224. Hi. I'm here to pick up the... I was talking to Anthony for a couple weeks.
So it's not in repair. It was to pick up a bike that's a new bike, right?
Yes.
Okay, so that's with Anthony. That's right there.
Anthony? Hey, man.
Hey man, how you doing, bro?
Great. How are you?
Very good.
Yep.
Good to meet you, man.
Nice to meet you, bro.
Filming the pickup.
Yes, indeed. You guys have a lot of nice stuff here.
Appreciate you, dude. Finally made it, bro.
Yes, bro.
Valeria's up here. I'll get you to go meet with Kyle. You have to take the helmet off for that, though. Just
Sounds good.
sign the documents. This is 5 right here.
This is mine?
Yes, sir.
Let's go.
Sign on, and that's fully charged 100%.
She is nice.
It's a good day, bro. It's been a long.
It's a great day, bro.
Finally, so here we'll go see Kyle. Then I'll do a nice demo for you and get going. So Mr. is here.
It's a big day for y'all.
It's a Friday, bro. Every day is a good day for us.
Oh yeah. So do I get like a bill of sale or that's in there?
That's good, man. Have fun.
Thank you, man. Where did Buddy go now?
Good, man. Awesome, bro. Thank you very much. the cash, Kyle? What? Kick.
Oh, that's enough.
Awesome, bro. Ready, man?
Yes, sir. Is that my little goodie box? Let's go.
Yeah, no, it's a pretty nice little kit. So here, we'll start with this.
Yeah. Yo.
Put that in there. Theory, you know, you don't want to, with EVs, you don't want to let the battery go below 20%.
Yeah.
Helps, obviously.
Yeah.
Keep its life, extend its life, I should say. And like I said, as soon as the sticker kits come in, I contacted the Talaria rep yesterday. He sent them to us, so we should get them.
You know what? Are you guys getting all the colors, or you just got red?
What color did you want? We got red, blue, and orange.
I might have to see them again in like a little bit.
For sure, man.
Once you guys get them in, like, I'll let you know. Most likely it'll be red. Most likely.
Once a year, depending on how much you ride it. I'm feeling you're going to be riding a lot.
Holy. Sharp foot pegs. Yeah, I was doing wheelies the other day, but I just recut myself. Dude. They're freaking sharp, man.
Crazy, bro. I can get you a band-aid before.
That would be lit if you could grab me a band-aid.
Okay, so when... Right, and we can go to the fun side.
Could you grab me a band-aid too, Loki? Yo, let's fucking go.
It's a lot different than the suspension.
It's low-key smaller than I thought it would be. I thought it would be like bigger than the Surround. Alright, get off my bike. Let me sit on this bitty. Oh, she's like the perfect size. Dude, I've been waiting years for this. Like actual years. She already got fingerprints on her. Yo, thank you for that band-aid.
Bring it out for you, bro.
Alright.
Part of the process, man.
Part of the process. Dude.
Sir.
She looks so good in the light.
You know what I mean?
Oh my god.
So you cool if I take a little shot of you guys at the bike?
Of course.
Appreciate you guys big time. So a quick recap. For how to use the controls here. The regen, you know we hold it down, and then it's going to start regenerating the battery. But I want to check for you here too. We're done up to 4 there. And then it's
Why is it being weird now?
cool. Yeah, there you go. We're going to do a couple.
It's saying wait. Oh, we have to press the start button?
Yeah, correct.
Yep.
And then now you're in
Eco.
So to get out of Eco, you press mode 1 and 2. Now you're in hyper mode. So get ready. She's going to be pretty...
Oh yeah. Oh! Dude. She already pulls. What did I find back here? Dude, she pulls hard. I don't even want to ride it around here, dude.
Yeah, it pulls hard, bro. It pulls hard.
Oh my gosh. Oh my god.
Did you guys come in a truck?
Yeah.
So you guys there, wicked boys. So
Do you guys have like ramps or something we can use? Yeah?
yeah, all good. Oh, congrats, brother, man.
Thank you, bro. Yeah, you can sit on it. Dude, it's not even unlocked yet and it wants to throw me off. It only goes 20 miles an hour right now. So like it has hella torque to 20 miles an hour. Yeah. Actually, I might have been in hyper. I don't even know. Because he just like told me to go. That badge on the left side's messing me up though. I don't remember seeing that ever.
I think the suspension is better than the Surround on that one.
Oh yeah, front forks are way better than the stock ones.
Yeah.
Let's go Eco. Alright, I think we're going over here. How are we gonna get her up there? Yo! You guys got that? It's on. 500?
All good, boys?
Yeah.
Go buy the forks.
Thank you, bro.
Fucking snappy.
Yeah, but she's fresh. Oh. What are you doing here, Pam? Got mod number 1 finished.
There goes 7 bands.
Whole money spread on my other bike turned into this one.
Yo, that's 3-4 bikes.
4 bikes. She's not going nowhere. No, probably not. It'll be chill. We're good. That's not going nowhere.
Just suspension's just gonna be.
Yeah, it's supposed to be like that. Yo, the front plate is so sick, bro.
Did it, dude. I am so proud of you, though. Yeah.
Bro, brand new, fully cash, and nobody fucking gave me money to buy that shit. That's all me, bro. Oh, no fucking way. Of course. Oh, did tilt sensor go off? Dude. Oh, that's so funny. Of course I would do that. Of course. But hey, that's how you break in an Emoto. That's how you break in an Emoto, boys. You gotta whiskey throttle it at least once. I fucking dropped it, bro. I just whiskey throttled it.
Yo, what's up, chat? Got the fucking Talaria. We'll be popping wheelies, fucking burnouts every day. And go follow Zeth at. Ciao.